Hi, welcome. In this video, we'll be taking a look at audios in HTML. We will learn the different ways to add audio in our HTML documents. We'll also learn the different controls and also the audio types that HTML supports. First of all, there's a similarity between the audio and the video tag in HTML or the video element in HTML. They are both included. Both files are included the same way, but then there is a difference. But before we take a look at that difference, let's include our audio file in HTML. To do that, you type the audio and you type on enter or tab to get the code populated for you. And yeah, so in my directory I have some files there. So what I did is I click on dot and forward slash to tell the code editor to look within this directory or this folder here. So you can see I have a couple of audio files here. So let me include one. Let me just choose the first one, which is .wav. I don't really know what that is. So let me go back to my web browser and take a look at the results. So let's refresh. Now, upon refresh, we can see that nothing is happening. There's nothing showing up on the page. Why is this happening? Well, the audio file, the audio element in HTML has an interface, and which is basically the play, the volume, and then repeat. But that interface ties back to the controls. So without the controls, we can't get an audio element to be displayed on the page. So, and that is the difference between the audio and the video elements in HTML. The video element would display the window, the video playing window, but the audio element just has its controls, so there is no window there to be displayed. So to look at it, so we add controls and then boom, let's take a look in our browser, refresh. Here we have our audio. Now we can see it has a play, it has the volume. You can seek through the audio. You can also add the playback speed to make it faster or, you know, slower. So let's play the audio to see whether it is working or not. Okay, we can see that our audio is working. So we can also add different audio files, audio types to, and they will all work. So let me come back here and let me add one of them, which is this one that I made myself. Very funny audio. So let's take a look. Refresh the page. This is an HTML audio. This is an HTML audio. All right, that was me talking. So basically, that's how to include insert or include HTML audios in your HTML file. So let's take a look at one last thing. Another way to add audio in HTML. So you can basically put in the audio in the source tag. There's another tag in that's the audio tag also supports. It acts as a parent to that tag. So there's a tag called source, which is a self-closing tag that takes the source of this file, and you specify where the file is, which is this. Let's save and see the results. We refresh. and it still works. This source file also takes you can also add more attributes to it, which is the file type, to specify the kind of file the audio is. That's it for audios in HTML. We learned how to add audios into our HTML documents. We also learned how to the different ways to add audios to our documents, and also the controls. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.